Former VDC chairman Ganesh Ingyi has denied all charges of corruption leveled against him by Mothuram Phonglosa, stating that he was planning to create rift among the BJP leaders and members. This was stated in a press conference convened at his residence on Wednesday. During the press conference, which was convened at 11:30 a.m. at his residence, the ex-VDC chairman said that the allegation of irregularities in the implementation of MGNREGA PMAYG schemes in the area during his tenure was totally baseless and fabricated. The ex-VDC chairman stated that his tenure as VDC chairman only lasted 8 months, during which several developmental schemes were successfully implemented, which include Samugari, Rongkut, Amoni and other villages. The ex-VDC charged that Mothuram Phonglosa is attempting to smear BJP's image with a motive to destabilize the party in Hawarkehat constituency. Further, the ex-VDC chairman challenged Phonglosa to provide evidence to prove his allegation. Ex-VDC chairman Ingyi also brought serious charges against Phonglosa that he was doing so that the BJP party would deny party ticket to M. Khonsing Rongpi for the upcoming KAC elections. He said that such person is dangerous and therefore should not be allowed to stay in the party. More importantly, the ex-VDC chairman also charged that attempt is being made to create rift between CM Tuliram Ronghang, MLA Dorsing Ronghang and M. Khonsing Rongpi in Hawarkehat constituency. He urged upon party members to not be misled, stating that Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council under CM Tuliram Ronghang, who is leading team Karbi Anglong, is very strong and would not affect the party.
Media report atum lapen tosnong Hawarkehat arat solang dodoan azipini laso ferangke athengno nili bangnang ko athike la helo je non nilitum Hawarkehat MSC angkang arlo enut Mothuram Phonglosa po amonit ladak nilitum angbong nilitum BJP angbong nangke thak japan bori piglo alangli lapen nilitum Ajing Honai CM Sir Tuliram Ronghang pen nilitum EM Sir Khonsing Rongpi phanta alangli kethak jipansi bori pondom lapen nilitum MLA Dorsing Ronghang ke hai alangli pen nilitum la EM Sir ke hai alangli phanta alangli kethak jipansi bori pondom asi lasonson Mothuram Phonglosa alida lasonson ke nilitum latum hampan alangli toma phi ke nilitum dunangne karbiatum karbiaratum manghudu nangne alang lilong nilitum jingbedu nangne nilitum konama kembe lapule jingbedu ningnang nilitum kadok kabe Hawarkehat nilitum solamdo arata phanili juningi ponji lake Mothuram Phonglosa asona sonong jongche nilitum dun pulode nilitum angbong cheno lapu lasi nilitum Hawarkehat development ke banji pulutangte nilitum Khonsing Rongpi salong nilitum dudunangpo lapen Mothuram Phonglosa asona phanke nilitum laso along dunangne গতিকে নতুন কই যেহেতু এতিয়া ঘৰ ৰেজিষ্ট্ৰেচন হ'ব আৰু ইয়াৰ মানে ৰেজিষ্ট্ৰেচন হোৱাৰ পাছত হে কামবোৰ আৰম্ভ কৰা হ'ব পিএমএ হোৱাৰ ঘৰ গতিকে হাওৰাখাত সকলো হাওৰাখাতবাসী ৰাইজক মই অনুৰোধ কৰিছো গতিকে আপোনালোকে ভুল নাযাব Mothuram Phonglosa দেৱৰ নিচিনা এজন নেতা তেখেত নিজকে নেতা বুলি কয় তেখেত আমাৰ মিটিংৰ কোনো নিয়ম কানুন নাজানে আমাৰ যেতিয়া আমাৰ সভা তেখেতে গৈ উপস্থিত হয় গৈ তেখেতে তাৰ নিয়ম নীতিবিলাকো নাজানে বুলি মই কৈ বিচাৰো আৰু তেখেত আমাৰ যেটো পাব্লিক আসনত তেখেতে কেতিয়াও নবহে তেখেতে ডাইৰেক্ট গৈ আমাৰ আসনত মানে যেটো আমাৰ সভাপতি নভৰ আগতে তেখেতে গৈ সভাপতি আসন মানে ওচৰতে তেখেতে আগত তেখেত মানে পাদা আসন লয়
Harsing Rongpi's report from Hawarkehat for Karbi Anglong Live.